How to make dark mode on Google Chrome PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make dark mode on Google Chrome PC. First, navigate to the web browser on your PC. Now search for dark mode extension. Then, open the Chrome Web Store link from the search results. To get this, click the Add to Chrome option. Next, click Add Extension in the pop-up menu. It will start downloading and wait for it. Once downloaded, click the extension and open it through the bar. After that, click on it and select the dark mode option to enable it. You can enable it through the browser itself. Here, click the three dots icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, go to the Appearance tab on the left side. Finally, select the dark in the mode option. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.